Happy watching, sir. Eto, Corpus, 4-3, wala. Eto na, papatayin na ngayon ng Enrile ang oras. To the MVP, the Slim Reaper, asking for an isolation play against Cobalies. Javier with a pick. Offensive foul on Javier. And a timeout on Team Tugigaraw. Ayan, time check tayo mga kaibigan. 10:50 coming from Team Tugigaraw City is still Tugigaraw City not giving up on every ball possession. Eto na, Corpus. Back to Corpus, in and out. Eto, pagod na sa taban mga kaibigan. And the MVP with the ball. MVP asking for an isolation play. Makanang against the MVP. Makanang, Jimmy Schwartz. And a miss by Jimmy Schwartz. Eto, Jimmy Schwartz against Talosig. Grabe ang ginagawa ni Javier dito. Grabe! Pali-play again, Boss Matt. Grabe naman yun. Sumayaw si Daryl Kalangian. Ayan, shoutout sa'yo, Damian Lee Dupaya. Ancheta, back-to-back 3. Ayan, shoutout sa mga Baga Boys natin. Eto na, Daryl Kalangian, pinapasayaw si Ancheta. Daryl Kalangian, back to Ventura for 3. Wala. Rebound by Dalungan. And a foul on Javier. A second throw for Daryl Kalangian. $104-87. Eto, mukhang Enrile will book the first ticket to the Apong Basketball League Season 2 Finals. Cobalies. While a separation move by Mr. Makanang, eto po. We are down to our last minute, mga kaibigan. 109-97. And that's it. It's a wrap, mga kaibigan. Team Enrile will book its first ticket sa Apong Basketball. Oh. Ayan, and that ends our game, mga kaibigan. And see you sa Game 2 or do or die game ng Amulong at ng Team Solana.